It's like
So both sides you can
yeah,
short it
yeah.
and also the back,
Mm-hmm.
but don't cut anything. Yeah,
Don't touch the
let
top,
it be. Yeah,
just the sides.
yeah,
Alright, will the same V at the back as well?
yeah.
Alright, cool.
All right.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. And about NG there again, I see it. Yes, people. We know first have to give thanks to the Most High, I see it. Guide and protect everybody, I see it, out there, I see it. And give thanks to all the subscribers, I see it. So please continue to like, comment, and share. Yeah, so people, we there this evening, we are doing that Indian, I give a nice little fade and things, so just watch how we kick it, I see it. Yeah, so we have to start by making the first line and see. We don't really make it even perfect yet because we don't know how far we want to bring it go. So we must basically take off some of the side them with the about one. So after I do that, I put on 1.5 and I start making the second line. Basically, I just have to feel out the ear because you can't just dig in on them ear because you can pull them easy. You can cut easily, but you can cut easily as well. So yeah, so I have on the 1.5 now and I basically at the time and just keep out side them, so you can see my way up. So after my pick up the side, I know I change and put that probably number 2 and then I go further with it. Yeah, so I change all the share, I start using gold share. So instead of using number 2, I go with the number 4. I'm gonna start take out the ball gem because you have to get the ball gem first. And as I see, I kind of slow down when they come out to them party because them party if you don't get them good, you have like a sharp look. And you want to see the haircut smooth, so you have to make sure you take your time and go through. Comb and cut. Comb and cut. Alright people, so what I do now, I take the shear and make the original line or how do you want to make from the beginning. As I said, just do like a small line at first because when you want the fade go up high. So basically, me carry it up high at first because I want actually can sew me and do. So after I take off most of the ear now I can actually start fade it. So after I take off, put him to the first line, which is the with the 1. Put down the 1/8, and take my time and fade it out. Yes. Basically, people may fade straight here almost the same as what I fade any other ear because use the same technique, but I just approach it a little bit different, but okay, same technique. I want to say if you reach so far, please like the video, comment, let me know anything about the video as well, appreciate you guys for being here, appreciate all the subscribers, all the comments and going forward, hope I can bring joy to you guys with some information as well. One day I want to put in here yourself, you can say, alright, watch a video and say, I'm coming instead of it. Yeah, pick up on yourself and time today, I understand. Yeah, with female now, I basically actually I done fast because him not really go shave. As I said, I just have fade me again because he most likely shave himself. So we shave the fade almost done. So basically, done as it. So people, all everybody will tune into the ENG shirt turning competition. Hopefully people will be heading to Jamaica next. With the barbers as it. So look out for that one there, understand. So I try to put it together now. So one more competition again, ENG shirt turning competition. We'll be trying to head to Jamaica. So people, look out for that one there, see it. And just look on the fade, and the fade a little clean already, I haven't even done yet. You know, I want to say if me a grey, like how female grey, someone might hear grey one time. Grey right through, beard, everything, just grey. Yeah man, the same son like silver fox. Same son with that one mind grey. Yeah man. Yeah people, so when I come on to this side them now, I basically done this side so all I bush take out. So I put on back the 1/8 on the Nova clipper I'm just go through and just barely take out all the lines them way leave, you know. So I just change between shape. I change between the 1/8 and the 0.5 guard, you understand? And if I move the lever, I take time move everything. I brush off here them off customer, especially them kind of era, cause them era turn mini needle. When I cut them, so I make sure I just brush them off and blow them off, cause them stick up in the hand and irritate for days. I get tweezers and take them out. So yes people, if I reach so far in a video, just drop a like if you don't like it, drop a comment if you don't comment it. You can comment again if you want still, you know. And if you don't subscribe already, please subscribe now, you understand? And thank you for being here, you know. You're part of my YouTube experience, you know. And people, if you can, drop a flag, let me see where in the world audience is right now. The people basically me actually done fade up in here, and so me I do right now I just go in and a little ear where him leave hanging off me I take them out little by little, cause when I really I use a scissors and him here, you understand? So go around with the shear, take off the edges and things, make sure all the lines are properly faded out. And so I'm not shaving, but the beard have to fade in with the fade itself. So I'm gonna do a fade it right now. So just sprinkle the water up on top, because I'm gonna give him a sharp line up here now. So him use razor right through, you know. So from the side to the back right round in case razor. So what we gotta do, I line the side and I line the back with the razor, give him a decent sharp. You see it? Because most straight hair people can actually use razor anywhere, because you know when the hair is straight, you know, it tend not to curl up on their skin, because most people understand say that a real main reason for ear bump, you know. Like my ear now, me use razor on the back. Some people it will not bump and some will not bump, because like me have soft hair now, so me most likely I get a bump. Because the ear now grow to come back out of the skin. That grow up, the cut the skin and heal up over the ear, and the ear grow under the skin, and call it ear bump. You see it? So like them now, the ear is thick and straight. So it grow right out back with the lining. So then tend not to bump up like an average afro ear with a bump. You understand? Mm-hmm. Yeah, get that V straight at the back. You see, cause as before, let me say you want the V back in always to this V line. So you have to make sure say it always straight, make sure say not out of place. So for the one side, catch it straight, then catch the next side and then look and make sure say everything I remember people always ease off and look and work when you cut the ear, cause you have to ease off and look at something really close and now see some little mistakes. So you have to ease off and look back on the work and you say, yeah, alright, that's the one touch out, that one touch out, you understand? So yeah, people basically we're done right now, you know. So I have to do the last little finishing touch them. Yeah, people, so as I say, I really use the scissors, just a little bit of scissors today, because just a little bit of ear hang over, you see. So basically, I'm done. So people, this is a finishing product. Tell them what you think. Thank you guys for like, share and comment. Next time, peace.